Well, it's been an interesting day so far. My diary is looking exceptionally busy for next week. Went and got tyres on the car earlier. 300 quid's worth on the back. Jeez, man. So hopefully the car's now safe and healthy for the time being. Monday, major dental work. Followed by Tuesday, 3 o'clock in the morning, pick my sister up and take her to the airport. And then on that same Tuesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, hospital. I'm not allowed to drive there. I'm not allowed to drive back. I'm not allowed to drive for 8 hours afterwards. I'm going to have stuff put in my eyes. Well, that one, the left one. To check it out and make sure it's all right and I've got nothing to worry about. I've also then Wednesday/Thursday at midnight, I can't have anything to eat or drink afterwards apart from water, because on Thursday morning I've got to go and have fasting bloods taken. That's bloods taken from you after you've been fasting, so there's nothing in there. Yeah, so next week's going to be fairly busy and all of it's going to be painful and some fairly expensive. Sick of hemorrhaging money at the moment. So if you see any adverts, watch them. Please watch them. No, you're alright, don't need to. Yeah, normally, my calendar has normally got stuff in it. I'm quite a busy person nowadays. I used to have a week to view diary in work, always a week to view, because I was responsible for quite a lot of stuff, loads of meetings and things to do and what have you. And all the work stuff was written in black ink. Any personal stuff would be written in blue or red or green or whatever it was, whatever pen I had to hand. If it was coloured ink, it was personal. Black ink work. There wasn't too much coloured ink in there. It was mostly black because it was all work. Now, on the other hand, I've got meetings in work. Even though I work from home, I need to dial into meetings. But they are just a few every week. Whereas my day-to-day home personal calendar on my phone is just absolutely chocker. And that's without Jess. Drop me off, pick me up, drop me off, pick me up. It's all the other stuff as well, it's mad. But this is part and parcel of being old, I suppose. I'm not Superman anymore. I never was, but you know what I mean. You think you're Superman when you're in your 20s, don't you? Now, there's always something. The doctors want to take blood every couple of weeks. They've got more of my blood than I have, I think, at the moment. So I've got to make sure that before the start of the week, I write down everything I need. I'll need my prescriptions, everything I take on a daily basis to go on Thursday. No, not Thursday, no. Tuesday. Oh, man. Losing the plot. Yeah, so that the people that are dealing with the eyes know exactly what to take. I've got to take my glasses. My new ones won't have arrived by that point, I don't think. I reckon they're going to be more along the lines of Friday next week, I think. Possibly. Maybe Monday the week after. But it's got to be done. I hope when I go, they have a look at it and go, don't worry about it. It's just like scar tissue from the stroke kind of thing, you know. A fallout from that. If it isn't and I need something doing, then I need something doing. There's just no getting away with it, is there? Never be scared of medical treatment. If you need it to keep you going, just go and get it done, man. Has to be done. Anyway, the tyres look nice. Goodyear. I don't think I've ever had Goodyear tyres on a car before. Not sure I'll be getting them again at that bleeding price either. What am I talking about? I will do. I'll get 2 for the front as well next month. Although we'll wait and see, because Monday That's the next dental appointment. I think as soon as I finish that, they will then try and get me in for the next round, which will be another £1,000. Ridiculous, isn't it? But again, got to be done. Got to be done, because there's no NHS dentists can't speak. No NHS dentists around anymore. So just pay for it, get it over and done with, and then try and keep on top of things. Yeah, I walked home as well from the tyre place, which is just over a mile. I forgot to put the My Walk app on until, actually it wasn't that far, probably a few hundred yards, until I realised. So I did that, which counted as a mile. That's my day's walking done. My dad had to give me a lift back there though. Dropped it in at 11:30 this morning. I had to be on the phones from 2 o'clock, and I got a phone call from them at 5 to 2. Your car's ready. Oh, shite. Said to me mate in work, can you just stay on for an extra 10 minutes? I'll only be 10 minutes. My dad drove me around there, and I got back literally 10 minutes after I was supposed to be on. Timing was amazing. I drove enthusiastically, testing the tyres obviously, and then managed to get in, get logged on and get sorted. Now I'm knackered, but I've got to do a bit more work, and then the weekend can start. And hopefully, I think the searches are on at Glastonbury, aren't they, at 8 o'clock tonight. Me mate John, watch him rocking out at Glasgow. Then the weekend can really start. Then I think I might just collapse, because I'm absolutely exhausted, mentally, physically, emotionally. I'm a husk of a man, I tells you. But it's no big deal. It's no big deal, is it really? End of the day, it's no big deal. We had a scare, we had a fright, but it's going to be so. It's going to be all right. It's going to be okay. You've got faith in me, haven't you? You have, haven't you? So we're all going to be sound. I just can't wait. Can't wait for 8 o'clock tonight. I might even, I have to stop and get them, but I might have a cold, a non-alcoholic beer. Get some from the spa. Start the weekend with a beer. How's that? Still go to Tesco though, and I've not had anything to eat yet either. My head's not been in the game. I've got fruit in the house. I'll have fruit when I get back. Sit at my desk, eating fruit, contemplating the weekend. There you go. There's a plan of action. And next week, despite it being full, it's going to be sound. We will have answers. We'll have a plan going forward. There's no need to worry. There you go. How's that? How's that for positivity after yesterday? It's going to be alright. It's going to be good. Trust me. I know what I'm talking about.